9 by 4 whole power minus 3 by 2. So here we have the formula a by b whole power n or minus n. We can write it as a power n dividing by b power n. So first we simplify this one. We write it as 9 power minus 3 by 2 dividing by 4 power minus 3 by 2. Now this one we can modify. We can write it as 9 power 1 by 2 whole power minus 3 dividing by 4 power 1 by 2 power minus 3. Now 9 power 1 by 2 can be written as square root of 9. So here 2 is there. We can write it as 9 power 1 by 2. So square root of 9 is 3. So here we can write it as 3 power minus 3 dividing by, this one is square root of 4 power minus 3. So we can write it as 3 power minus 3 dividing by square root of 4 is 2 power minus 3. Now we have one more formula. A power minus n, we can write it as 1 dividing by a power n. So here we can write this 3 power minus 3 as 1 dividing by 3 power plus 3. Similarly denominator is there. So denominator we can write it as 1 dividing by 2 power 3. If we reciprocal this one, we can write it as 2 power 3 dividing by 3 power 3. 2 power 3 is 8 dividing by 3 power 3 is 20.